Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this presentation of Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol. Let's look at what it is and why was this created, and how it can benefit you and myself in this industry, this increasing industry of everything is changing every day, and how people are using it to exploit other people, and how you can protect yourself. That is the main reason for you and me to get into this platform. That is to increase our knowledge and to keep our assets, our crypto and digital assets safe. All right, so we're mainly going to do it by means of education, and that is the main way or the purpose of this platform is to educate the crypto community worldwide on the safety and how to keep your assets safe and protected from scammers and hackers and all of those unscrupulous people. Right, so Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol was launched on the 5th of April. That is exactly 7 days ago, 8 days ago actually. Today is day 9. So yes, it is still a very fresh platform, and that was created to help and assist the global community to learn about crypto, Web3, and online related safety and earn with the lightning fast ability of the OPBNB network. Yes, you have also the ability to earn in crypto here in Apex Protocol. So let's carry on and see how. I must first read you the disclaimer. This presentation is for educational and informational purposes only. Let me get out this laser pointer. It is for educational and informational purposes only. Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol is not an investment or a trading platform, and no financial, tax, or legal advice is given in this presentation. Right, please take note that crypto and decentralized finance inherits its own unique risks. In every industry, every aspect of life, there is different hazards and risks involved. Right, some of them is very dangerous, some of them can kill you, some of them will just hurt you, but you need to be educated about how to manage them and how to negotiate and mitigate the risks involved. Right, so do not spend money that you cannot afford to lose. Do not go and sell your car and your house and use your food money and your rent money to either join platforms or to invest in something. Please do your own research and make 100% sure before you go over to action. All right, the purpose of this is to educate everyone about the risks involved, about the hazards involved here, and how to mitigate it and how to do it as safe as possible. Remember, nothing is guaranteed in this life, and in any industry, nothing is guaranteed. Right, so but the more we are educated, the more we know, and the more we can help ourselves, and also increase our way to earn much more than that. Right, so you are responsible for your own personal tax obligations, and always pay to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. And then always keep in mind Hebrews 13 verse 5 to 6, which says that make sure that your character is free from the love of money. All right. To many people, it appears that we are chasing money, but that is absolutely not true. All right. That's not the purpose of this presentation, but I just want to point that out. Every day we need the money. I don't know who you are, what your name is, or whatever, you still need money to buy food. You still need money to pay your rent. To drive, you need a fuel in your vehicle. So that all is costing money. So it's not chasing money, it is earning an income, making money. Right? We're not making a god of money. We need money to survive each and every day. All right, let's carry on. So what is Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol actually? Here we will learn about crypto, and we will earn as well with the lightning fast speed of the OPBNB network in BNB, the main coin or native coin of Binance. All right, so there is two major problems currently in this industry. And the first one is, how do you and I use our crypto and tax. There's many stories, many rumors that's going around at the moment. Many countries have put regulations in place the last couple of years and months and couple of weeks actually, that many members are not aware of yet. So the first product that you are buying when you join Apex Protocol is a guide, only guidance on how to manage your tax and what to expect from your tax obligations in your specific country. So that is the first product that you will get when you enter or become a member of Apex. Right. The second one is to stay safe online in the crypto industry, in the Web3 decentralized world as well. So crypto crime is still heavily driven by scams, theft, and social engineering. Now, Chain Analysis has reported that more than 2.17 billion US dollars has been stolen from cryptocurrency services by the end of 2025, June 2025, already exceeding the whole of 2024. Right, so wallet providers and security teams also continued warning people throughout the late 2025 and early 2026 about phishing, malicious browser extensions, fake support, and fake meeting or screen share scams. And these things are escalating each and every day. We hear about new things, new ways that the hackers and the scammers are making use of to get hold of your funds or to try and steal your funds. Right? Every person on this earth has got a cell phone or a device from some kind, some sort that is connected to the internet. And when you're connected to the internet, you are vulnerable. There's a lot of hazards and risks involved there. Right? That you need to negotiate each and every day. Just like you take your car for a drive, there's lots of things that you need to take into consideration to get to your destination safely. It's the same within this crypto industry. All right, so traditional finance usually lets you call support when something goes wrong, dispute a transfer, or reverse an unauthorized card payment. When you're doing that in crypto, when you're having any issues in crypto, there's nobody to call most of the time. Right, so that changes your job description, not only as a user. You are not only the investor or the customer, but in most cases, you are also your own security team. So prevention is much better than any cure, and then that's why we want to educate our community. Most of the people, they know this, but they do not implement this. All right, this is very, very serious, actually. So the goal of this guide, of these guides that you will receive for these products, is not to cause you paranoia or drive fear. It is to help you build a simple, repeatable operating model that makes costly mistakes less likely. It does not mean that you will be bulletproof against any scams or hackers, but it will lessen the chance of you to make any mistakes or being a victim of these scammers or these malicious people. All right, so the problem that we need to solve it through two ways, through means of education, and we're making use of our existing community. So we are using what we have at the moment and we're putting that to use to benefit ourselves and the community also. So the primary purpose of Apex is to create a secure, scam-free, learn and earn ecosystem. All right, so let me just move this here. All right, ecosystem where members can safely navigate the cryptocurrency space and earn rewards also while doing so. So you're going to learn and earn about crypto, and you will earn in crypto as well. All right, the library with the products that your first initial purchase or when you buy your digital product is 0.005 BNB on the OPBNB network, and that's about $3 to 50 Rand. That is your initial entry into the Apex platform that will give you access to an ever-expanding digital library of vetted crypto educational products, guides, and tools. And that is going to expand as the platform grows and as time goes on. All right, because the scammers and the hackers, they are getting cleverer each and every day, and they're inventing new ways, and we just need to stay ahead of them and also need to educate our community about that. So this will expand as the platform grows and as we see what is necessary for our members to know about. And then there's also a way for you to advertise your own digital products or platforms. Obviously, if they are vetted, if they are legal, and you cannot just come and advertise anything here. We need to protect our community and how to access that creative pathway. So Apex is designed to turn the learners into leaders as well. So once an active member reaches a maximum cap of 51 positions in a single wallet, because one wallet that you register in Apex can purchase up to 51 positions. All right, so then that will unlock the VIP creator status, and this will allow the members to submit their own digital platforms or products to the library for free. But obviously, as I said, it will be screened first. You cannot just submit anything or we cannot add anything there and that will harm the community. So this ensures that the community is only exposed to high quality, legitimate educational tools and is protected from scam. Right, so obviously there is at the moment one member that has maxed out this 51 positions on one wallet, and there's two others that's very close. So yes, once we haven't had the time yet to introduce the new platforms or products, but we will definitely get to that. And I'm just going to move this now. Right, so the membership rewards system, once you enter into Apex, you purchase your digital product, you're getting access, you become a member of the rewards program or system as well. Right, so that will give you access to this rewards program. Attached to the digital educational library is a community-driven reward system designed to be sustainable and fair, and ensuring that new members are continuously supported by the older members as well, and not just coming and wait there until the end of time. All right, so it's built on a 3x3 matrix structure. So when you buy your product, you get positioned at the top of your own small network tree. Right, each position has got 3 positions underneath them. So that will create your level 1, and once you have received your 3 positions under you, you will be paid instantly 90% back off your initial entry fee for that position. All right, so and that will upgrade you also to level 2. And on level 2, once you have received 9 positions under you, you will receive a re-entry that you do not have to pay for, and that re-entry will belong to your own wallet. It will count towards your 51 positions. You will also generate a payment that will go instantly directly to your wallet. On level 2, that payment is about $4. So on level 1 is just below $3. On level 2, it's about $4, and then on level 3, you will be upgraded to level 3 once you complete level 2. And level 3 is broken down in 4 segments, because on level 3, there's 27 positions. So 3 segments broken down of 9 positions each. And on each of those segments, you will receive a payment as well as a re-entry at the bottom of the matrix. So there's only one registration link for Apex protocol. There's no personal registration links for that will benefit the reward system. So there's what we call the pay it forward engine. So to prevent the system from stalling, Apex uses automated re-entry. So when you earn the larger rewards from level 2 and level 3, because on level 1 there's no re-entries, from level 2 and level 3 segments, each completion creates a automatic re-entry down to the bottom of the system, but the member needs to activate those re-entries from their back office. All right, so they need to be active and interact with the platform as well. All right, so you do not have to pay extra money for those re-entries. It's taken from your funds already, and that is being put back into the system at the bottom, which will assist you and the whole team as a bigger team, right? And that will buy you brand new position at the bottom of the entire community tree. So this means that successful veterans or older members are constantly placed back at the bottom to push newer members upward. And we've seen that many times now. When one member, it depends on where you get to. When there's two re-entries, then the next person only needs one new position, and then he's already on level 2. So it moves actually quite fast. Right, then there's also built into the smart contract a bulletproof system to prevent your money from getting lost in the case of there's any glitch in the blockchain or whatever. Right, so we can't be 100% sure about everything, so that's why we build this into the smart contract. For in case there is a glitch and your money doesn't get sent to your wallet instantly, the contract safely stores it internally so you can withdraw it manually at any time. Right, so that money is not locked or it is not gone, it can only be withdrawn to your connected wallet. Right, the developer or the creators, they can't touch that money. It will only be withdrawn to your specific wallet that you registered. Right, so while one wallet is kept at 51 positions to organize the creator status perk, or for you to qualify for the creator status, you can create as many new wallets as you want to keep buying positions and growing your own matrix and that of the whole team as well. There's no limit to the number of positions you can buy or the number of wallets you can open now. There is no KYC involved in Apex as well. So why are we using BNB on the OPBNB network? There's basically two reasons. And the main thing is it's lightning fast and it's almost zero transaction fees, almost zero gas fees. This is really one of the fastest cryptocurrencies that I've seen or that we know at the moment. Right? It is very, very fast and the gas fees is very, very low. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that your gas fees are getting very, very huge and it impacts the whole system actually. Right, with OPBNB, it's very cheap. You don't even realize that you are paying transaction fees. It's almost next to zero. Right, so how much can you earn from one cycle when one position completes its cycle? So it's going to cost you around $3 to enter with one position, and when one cycle completes, it completes with about $33 all in all from level 1 to level 3. Right, so one position will earn you about $33 in one complete cycle and also generate you 4 re-entries. So when a position is completed, it resets your allowable number to the positions accordingly. So you will not just be maxed out to 51 positions. When your older entries are getting completed, that counts towards your 51 again. So it doesn't limit you there. So when an old re-entry is out of the system, it resets your number of available positions again. All right, so to earn more, you just need to purchase more positions or just share this protocol with more like-minded people. And it is really affordable, and most people are getting into the crypto space and the online industry. This is not only this is to keep you safe online, basically, and also to increase your knowledge about crypto as a general industry. Right, so more and more people are getting involved and getting open to getting into the crypto industry. Right, so here is a breakdown of the reward system of what one position can achieve. So on your level 1, you will receive your 3, and your gross reward will be 0.0045. Remember, you paid about 0.005. Now there's a 0.5% sustainability fee. And this is almost nothing compared to what other platforms are asking, 5 to 6%. So Apex does not want to make money. This is actually a dead giveaway. So that is really just for sustainability fee, for management fees, because it doesn't take so much money to sustain or manage a platform. Right. They just want to make more money out of the maintenance fees, but they will not tell you that outright. Right, so on level 1, you will get about 90% back of your initial purchase fee, 89.5% you get back directly paid to your connected wallet for each position that completes level 1. Right, then you will be upgraded to level 2, and on level 2, you will be paid 0.00599 BNB, which is about $4. The BNB value differs and fluctuates each and every day. Right? So you will receive a re-entry as well. It gets deducted from your income on level 2. One re-entry position automatically is put aside for you. You just need to go and activate it. In your wallet itself, it will fall at the bottom of the matrix again, right? And then you will pay the 0.5% sustainability fee, plus you will be paid instantly when you complete level 2, right? And then you will be upgraded to level 3. Level 3 is broken down in 3 segments, as I explained already. Here you will also receive 9 positions on each segment, and 1 position or re-entry when you complete each segment, and a payout immediately to your wallet. So this is around $9, 0.15 BNB, 0.015 BNB, I mean. Right, it's around $9 at the moment, depending on the BNB value of the day. But if it increases, then it's going to go to $10. So yes, all in all, you're going to gain from 1 position about more than 1,000% that gain if you complete 1 cycle in Apex protocol, right? So you get 4 positions re-entries basically for free, and you're getting paid as you go along the way. All right, just a breakdown of what it costs you in rand or rand value, what you're going to receive in dollar and rand value. So all in all, it's about 500 rand in South Africa, or between $30 to $35 in US dollars. Right, just a breakdown of that same picture we saw just now. All right. So here's just another way of looking at the matrix here at the top here. 3 positions underneath you. You will be upgraded to level 2, and then on level 2 there's 9. They will upgrade you to level 3, segment 1, segment 2, and segment 3. Right, so there's a re-entry here and a payout. There's a re-entry and a payout here, there, and there. Right, so all in all, you're going to increase your total return is going to be more than 1,000% on 1 position. All right, so how do you get registered? So we suggest everyone to use the SafePal Web3 wallet. If you do not have one, download it from the official website, safepal.com, or from your App Store, Google Play Store, or Apple iPhone Store. If you have a Huawei device, do not download it from the Huawei store. There is a fake SafePal app. Please then use safepal.com to download it. You can also download the extension if you want to work on your laptop or PC. Right, so first of all, you need to secure your wallet, and this is very important. We have had many incidents the last couple of days because of these 12 words that were either not safely kept, or they were not stored safe enough. Right, so make sure that when you download your crypto wallet, or any crypto wallet, Web3 wallet, that you write down those 12 words. This is very important. We cannot stress this any stronger. This is the keys to your wallet, to your money. There is no other ways of getting access to those wallets if you have lost those 12 words. It's like the key to your safe. Please write them down. Do not take screenshots. Do not try to memorize them. Do not take pictures or store them on email or on other social media, or on your phone or on photos, because if someone gets access to your devices and they get hold of those 12 words, they can still access your wallet and your funds. You do not need a password. They can override the password. They only need the 12 words, and you can import those wallets. Instantly, you can withdraw the money, right? And then there's no way of you getting it back. And then the other thing is, keep them in a safe place and keep them out of the way of water damage or fire damage. So make sure, because that's the only way you can get it back. And if you have lost those 12 words, they are lost forever. There's no way of you getting it back ever again. Many members have lost the 12-word seed phrase, their device broke and they never wrote it down, or they did write it down, but they didn't back it up on more places. So, or they moved places and then they forgot it somewhere and they didn't take it seriously. Right. So now, but they can see the funds is on the blockchain, but they cannot access it. So yes, and it's not $1 or $2. It's quite a lot of money that those people are that they cannot access now anymore. So please make sure that you write down these 12 words, keep them safe, and keep many not too much copies, at least 1 or 2 copies of those wallets, right? Of those seed phrases. Right, and then fund your wallet with the BNB on the OPBNB network and 0.0051. We just tell that because it's actually much less than that, but just to round it off to make it easier, fund your wallet with 0.0051 for your first position, and that gas fees will be more than enough to pay for lots of registrations. Right, so and on the OPBNB network to cover the registration and gas fees. This is equivalent to about $3 or 50 to 60 rand, depending on the BNB value of the day. So please ensure that you do not use the Binance Smart Chain Network or BP21 because it will not register your transaction. It needs to be on the OPBNB network. Right, and then you copy the registration link, and then you please do not press on this. You will just copy this registration link and then paste it into your DApp browser in your SafePal wallet, or depending on which wallet you are using. Either your Discover or your browser, it will, different wallets have different meanings or names for those browsers. Right, but in SafePal, it's called Explore icon, and you will press there and you will paste the link in the browser at the top. And then very important step is select the OPBNB network. Make sure that you select the OPBNB network. Right, before you connect the wallet to the site. Before you tap on go, you must make sure that it is on the OPBNB network, and then you can press go and or enter the website and register your position. So you will connect, you tap go, and it will connect you to the Apex user interface or the back office, and then you will scroll down to, you will see buy digital product, and you will press there and you will buy your first position. Right, so your first position after that is bought, then you can buy more positions after that, but your first position is like a mandatory entry into the system of Apex. Right, so then you just confirm the transaction, and now you can buy more positions by just entering the number of positions and tap on the buy more positions. Take note that you need to have enough BNB in your wallet for those positions that you want to purchase as well. Right, so why do you want to join Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol? Right, the first reason is that you are not just buying a position, you are buying value for your money. You're getting value for your money. So in many platforms, an entry fee buys you nothing but a placement or just a position. But in Apex, your money, even if it's a small fee of 0.005 BNB, which is about $3, is a direct purchase of a digital crypto education library, which will expand over time as well. So you get immediate access to these guides, these courses, and these tools that will help you to master your crypto space and your journey in the space, and to keep you safe and your community as well. And that library will continue to grow at no extra cost to you. Right, so we have also touched on when you reach the creator status, you can introduce your own digital products or platforms as well. So yes, that is one of the values that you get in Apex as well. And then a community built on paying it forward by means of the re-entries from the reward system, where the older members are keeping on supporting the same structure. There is no individualism here. There is no personal links. One big global team that is using the same link to register here. Right, so your funds from the rewards program are never ever trapped if there is any technical glitches in the blockchain. So there is code written into the smart contract, which ensures that if for some other reason your funds are not transferred directly instantly to your wallet, the funds is not lost. You can withdraw that funds and it will go directly to your connected wallet. Right, so then I've touched on the pathway from learner to creator. When you have kept maxed out your 51 positions on one wallet, you will reach the VIP creator status, which will put you in the position to submit your own crypto products, platforms, or tools to the library for free. So that's another way for you to increase your earnings and also your exposure in this industry. And then you have the capacity to earn infinite potential. There is infinite earning potential in Apex. So yes, this is not $100 and $500 and $1,000, but you can get there. There's no limit. There's no limit on the number of positions or wallets that you can register in Apex. Right. So while a single wallet is kept at 51 positions to ensure the creator status, and there's no limit to the overall growth. So if you want to expand further, you simply connect a new wallet and you keep on going that way. Right. And it's a safe and a vetted environment. Yeah. We have been in this industry for a couple of years and we've learned a lot of things. Right. So the crypto space is full of scams, but Apex acts as a filter, right? Because every digital product and platform added to the library is there to educate you and to assist you, to make you aware of the latest things. And obviously, we will only put there what is vetted and screened before we add any new products there. We will not add any scam that we definitely know is not going to work. And also that is to protect the community from malicious actors. Right, so how does the protocol grow actually? These are questions that comes up each and every day. Right, you access the crypto education with 0.005 BNB, which is about $3. Right, and that participation is your purchase into the digital educational suite of Apex. You will see that on your back office. All right, members gain vital knowledge on DeFi security, the OP-BNB ecosystem navigation, and crypto tax compliance specifically. There is many regulations that have changed the last couple of months and years with the crypto increasing worldwide and governments trying to clamp down on it, and members are not always aware of what is going on here. Please take note, this is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors or tax advisors. We are just giving you guidance and education of what is the latest that we can get our knowledge on. All right, so we do not supply you with any legal advice or financial advice or tax advice. You are still responsible for your own tax obligations as well, right? And that it gets fueled with high velocity 3x3 matrix. Sale of these educational products drives the 3x3 matrix. So every 3 products sale or every 3 positions that enters the matrix, that triggers a payout for somebody in the matrix as well. And when there's one person getting paid, that means there's a chain reaction instantly happening, which pushes upwards and then also backwards at the bottom again with the re-entries. Right, so ensuring that we educate more people, the cycle moves rapidly for the entire community. Right, then there's the automatic 4x re-entry loop that I discussed already. So as you progress through the educational tiers, the system automatically creates 4 new re-entries for you. And this means your initial product purchase scales into multiple active positions, creating a self-feeding ecosystem that grows as your community learns. And as the whole community learns and expands. All right, so then there's also the tiered payout progression in one position cycle. We already covered that. It will cost you about $3, but you will earn between $30 to $35, depending on the BNB value. And also take note, if BNB increases in value, your payouts will also increase. All right, so in one level 3 segment, one payment on that is around $9, so very close to $10. that you're getting paid on a level 3 segment. Plus you're getting a re-entry there. Right, and then it's sustainable community success. By focusing on sharing the products, we ensure the longevity of the protocol. So your growth is tied to the collective momentum. And as you help others become crypto literate, you accelerate your own rewards, and that also of the whole Matrix team. Right, as I said, there's no Lone Ranger here. They're all using one universal link. There's no personal links. So yes, that is how this platform has been put together. And let's just discuss some housekeeping rules here. All right, there's no limit to the number of positions any wallet or person can purchase or register in Apex. There's also no refunds available. Why? Because the money gets distributed instantly by the smart contract. So there is no refunds available in Apex. Please make sure that you do not use money that you cannot afford to lose. Right? Understand that there's only one universal registration, and that's the only way to progress in the system is either to purchase more positions or to share the protocol with others to use the same digital products. Right? So thank you for your time. We will go to the back office quickly, and I just want to run there because we have some 1 minute left basically. Let's see if we can just get out here. Right, if it cuts off, we'll be back in tomorrow again. Right, so on your back office, when you enter here, you will see this. This is now on the laptop. It looks different. You'll see that. Okay. All right. There is 5 tabs that I want you to be aware of. The buy tab, the my entries tab, that will populate your own re-entries or entries at least, and then the rewards, then the tools, and then the products. Here is where you're getting your products from. All right, here's the breakdown of your numbers. The claimable balance, that should always be 0 because your funds getting distributed instantly. This is what you will earn. You'll receive the rewards already, and then your number of positions that you have purchased on this wallet. Right, and then also the entry fee is just calculated or displayed there. Right, on the products page, you will access your products on the Access Available Digital Products tab. Now, here you need to click there. It will ask you to verify that this wallet has purchased a product. You will click verify, download access. That will open that will trigger your connected wallet for you to verify. You see, I need to log in now. I'm not going to log in now.